Well, I'm back to an area that I spent a lot of time at right by my house. And although I've pretty much searched everything already, they do come back in and move some dirt around. So from time to time, while they're building this retention wall, I'm gonna come back and check out some stuff. I might see an old cup coming out right here, or is it an old bottle? It looks like an old bottle, older bottle, not that old. I always wonder if there's any coins sitting in this thing. All right, I'm looking at this little spot that they dredged out, and across the way, I think I'm seeing a old spoon right there, maybe some bottle pieces. So with my phenomenal athletic talent, I'm going to attempt a one-legged leap to the other side and see if I can do this holding onto the phone. Do not try this at home. I'm a trained professional. Semi. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was a success. And what, pray tell, is Mr. Spoon doing right here? Okay, how old are you? Just sitting here, minding your own business. Feeling kind of heavy in my hand. Interesting enough. Oh, I'm going to say it was probably in a fire. But it has some design to it. And I might just be interested in cleaning this guy up. Anything else over here? No, this glass doesn't look that old. Little piece of pottery with some design on it. Anything else? Another interesting little area, which is at the early start of what they're building here. As you can see over here, I just picked up a bottle, which does have a little bit of an older ping to it, probably 30s or 40s. That's always something good to see in this little section, because maybe, oh, like that one over there, maybe there's a couple more popping out. But again, that's a twist off jar. Nice little bubble on the bottom. I know these aren't super old, but old enough to search this area. Huh. I'll take it home and clean it up anyway. But 2 bottles in this little pile means there could be more. Look at this down here. I wonder what they dug up when they did this. Well, another stellar day. I already spent an hour searching around here. I'm really not getting anything. Good low tides, a couple more days of that, but nothing showing up. This strange wooden ball. It's not a coconut. I believe it's wood. I have no idea what it's for, but that's why I'm taking it home. In the bag you go. I'm curious about this piece. I believe it's wood, and it is certainly round. It's got a halfway mark line here, but it's very heavy. Any guesses? I have no idea what it is. Oh, my chicken fingers are done. All right. What are we going to find today? If anything. Don't make fun of my scraper. Don't make fun of my scraper. It doesn't take much for me to take a bottle of that, although I have a lot of these Vicks Cobalt Blues. This one has a little bit different shape to it. And there was a bottle inside of it, which is weird. I'll take it. Vicks. Someone invading my territory. Or vice versa. I've never seen you here. You okay? Oh, yeah, you are. Okay, I think it's an eel. Huh. There you go. That's the first time I've ever seen him here. I'm not sure what I'm looking at here, but it's interesting enough. Huh. Well, I still don't know what I'm looking at. I'm going to show you this little section I decided to start digging and scraping because I just have a good feeling about it. What's that up there? I just pulled out what I thought was a little mason jar porcelain lid. That can't be a marble right there. What are you right there? Hold on one second. No, what are you? See up close with my glasses on. And I can't calm down. I don't know what that is. Strange little piece. Looks like the front of a fish head or something. I think it is. How weird is that? I'll clean that up and better get a better look at that. Let's go back to this little porcelain lid I just found, which looks tiny. Has a little different top to it. Look at that. All right, well, I'm going to see what comes out of there. I may have gotten into an older, not super old, but what looks like a soda bottle here. Maybe a wine, might be ketchup or some kind of condiment bottle. It has some ridges in it. All right, that's not super old. Well, of course it's not super old. So now I know what I'm digging in right here. It says 1940 in the bottom. Twist off. That's still 80 years old. Jeez. You never really know what's under the next scoop. I know this is uranium glass. I know it's a little orange squeezer. But what I don't know is if it's all intact. What I'm going with right now is that it is enough intact for me to take this bad boy home. A, it's uranium glass. B, it looks like it's in pretty good condition. As I'm cleaning it more and more, what in the what? Right now, it looks as if I just picked this off the shelf at the thrift store. I struck it gold. Probably only would have had to spend a couple dollars on it. But I am absolutely amazed at how this thing looks. Look at this thing. I don't really see a chip on it. It is uranium glass. You're going to see in about 30 seconds this thing all lit up and in good shape. Wow. I might even have to squeeze an orange on this. I don't know if I'll eat it though, or drink the water, the juice. Even though you're not supposed to get any radioactive material from this stuff, why take the chance? You are going to be a shelf sitter. Nice. Oh man, I'd love to get into some old vintage toys. Look at this guy. I don't know what you're holding there right now. I can't really tell. It looks like a lasso, maybe. See something red in there. Maybe Grandma threw out all your toys. And I'm about to find them all. I wonder if she liked marbles. Well, one of the stranger things I've seen pop out of here. Looks like it's in the shape of a lip balm, but there's a little smiley face on there. Huh. It's on the top of my heap, so it's not going to be super old. But maybe it is lip balm. Man, oh man, I just finished a lot of digging. And when you do that, I usually get a little ceramic figure. And finally, oh, this guy's busted up. Yeah, oh yeah. We got an elephant. Well, I wish the rest of you was here. Good luck. Amazing today with all the digging I did and scraping. I didn't get a lot of bottles. Got some cool stuff, but not a lot of bottles. So I'm double checking this one because I like the design on it and the shape. I thought the top was broken, but that's just the old metal lid. And that might be a keeper. Got an interesting look to it. Amber bottle, 40s and 50s. I don't know, it almost looks inkish to me, but it could be makeup. Well, now that I mentioned no bottles, I'm starting to pick up bottles. This one I barely caught. And being so tiny, look at the design on this little guy. Might be a little perfume bottle. That is a great one. No, I think it has a little chip there, but doesn't matter to me. I like the way it looks. Ignore this pinky. I know, I gotta get new gloves. I don't even know what that is inside there. I didn't do that. All right, great little spot here. I just found another one of those perfumes. And maybe this one isn't chipped. Same one. Huh. A couple more pieces coming out of here. So I'm gonna dig a little bit more. Oh, we opted to do some metal detecting today. And we're an hour and a half before low tide, one of another common places we hit to see if the storms did anything around here. Don't like the wind, don't like the tide. Sometimes that actually means it's going to be a good day. What do you think? Oh, look at him. Put your suit on, Harry.
I think I've seen better conditions.
Yeah. All right. Well, so far we're just hovering up by this wall, and I got a bunch of signals, lead weight, scrap lead, but I do like the stones that are coming underneath, so I got another good signal, and I believe we might have a silver dime. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do this with two hands. Maybe I'll just lean it like this. Aha! Smart. Because it is awfully cold out today. Let's see what we got here. It's a silver, not a Merc. Oh my God, I forget. Jefferson maybe? I forget. But newer than a Merc, but it is a silver coin. Out of a gun. Rosie, that's what it is. Oh, you got that in the water?
Yeah, this is out in the water.
Let's see. Oh, there's a little insignia on the top there. I can't really make it out. Nice. That's gonna have some history to it.
That's the first basket of stuff.
Yeah, I love the stones that are showing up.
Yeah,
All right. Well, looks like Uncle Paul took the high road again. We've been pulling out coins just too young for silver. A ton of them. And now the first coin I got, if you remember, was silver. I haven't gotten one since. But I think this has all the markings of the color we want to look for. Sure does. Although we didn't get into the Mercs yet. Here's another silver Rosie. Probably 50s. I think I can see that date. 1950 something. All right, we need a little bit older.
Well, it wouldn't be a trip here without a little earring. And out popped an earring. Let's see if I can find the other one.